If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here with a double design team project. So excited when I can combine my projects into one large project and we can all work together and everybody's overlapping anybody. So I love it. It's a win-win, 2-in-1, all that good stuff. So I will have the links to everything that I mentioned down in the description box for you guys if you are interested. So the paper that I'm going to work with is from the FairyTale Club, and that's owned by Andrea and her husband Ryan. And I did do a reveal on the paper that I'm receiving, or I received this month. I'm using two paper collections. That's why you see it all in one combined pack. I'm using the Merriest and also Jolly. They are interchangeable. If you pick the right colors and patterns, it'll work great together. So I'll have that reveal video down below so you guys can see exactly what was in that design team package. And then I'm also using some dies from Alina Cuddle. I am going to be working with this poinsettia die. It's a new release from her shop, as well as this Christmas house gift box. And it's loaded with tons of dies. I just repackaged it and put it in one of my clear bags. And then I put the little label that comes with it so that I can know exactly what it is. So in here I used almost everything. I didn't use the gingerbread. Instead, I used the Christmas tree. All right, so I've already cut out everything that I'll need to complete this project. So let's get to it. All right, Alina has a full tutorial on how to put together a house gift box. I think she does a different version of a Christmas, and she does a Halloween with all that, the extra dies that goes with that. So you can definitely head over to her YouTube channel to figure out how it all goes together. I am going to be putting my pattern paper on first because I want to cut the windows out. I don't believe she cut the windows out in hers, but I want to cut the windows out in mine. I think they're super cute. So I'm going to be putting my pattern paper on first, and then I'm going to die cut the windows and then put the box together, if that makes any sense. So this is a double-sided paper from the FairyTale Club, and I'm going to use the peppermint side because it's so shabby and so cute. So you needed to cut out, I needed to cut out all these pieces to fit, and I want to make sure I am in the right direction here because these are at the bottom. These go to the bottom, I know, and these are at the top. So that's correct. I'm going to attach these with wet glue. I think it'd be better to cut through wet glue than it is definitely hot glue and double-sided tape. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to add my papers, and the dies come with the offset panel. So these are the base panels, and then they also come with these layering or offset panels as well. Did I do that right? That's there. So that's going to be laid out like that. I'm going to fold in all my ends, and I'll just need one of these to finish off. That's going to be at the bottom. Everything else will be folded over. So cute. And then I have these cute little triangles to fill up these triangle spots. So I'm going to glue all these down, and I'll be right back. All right, I have all of my parts and pieces on. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out the window. And these are the bottom parts. So, and this tucks in kind of. So I want my window to go here. Okay, yeah, I want my houses to go on the longer end of the panels. So I'm going to cut those out. Not my houses, my windows. So I'm going to cut those out, and I'll be right back. All right, I've cut out my window on here. So now what I'm going to do is put my window frame on a piece of acetate. And to make them stand out more, I'm going to, I've cut them out in this green paper that I have already on here, and I'm going to go ahead and use this as my window frame. So all I'm going to do is lay this on top of the acetate, just like that, and then do the other one. All right, there we have it. I'm going to let this set aside to dry. All right, so now I can go ahead and put these together. I'm going to use some double-sided tape. All right, and we have to do opposite each other. So one of these and then one of these here. So I'm just going to line this up like so. And do the same for this one. Line it up. And this last one. Before I close this up, I'm going to go ahead and grab my windows and add them to the mix. All right, I know you guys were saying it. You just didn't tell me. Hindsight is 2020. I should have done a large piece of acetate and put over the whole window. Otherwise, how are the windows going to fit? Jeez, TMIKA. So, easy fix. Just going to add some tape alongside here and add the windows. Easy peasy. Sometimes I'm not so lucky, but this time I was. And I know y'all was saying, TMIKA, why are you going to do that? You haven't cut out the window base. You can't add windows to air. Yeah, well, I didn't think about that until now. So we fix it. That's the best thing about crafting mistakes. They're always opportunity to challenge ourselves. That's what I call it. So that's going to go there. Haha. And then, haha. Now I can put this on here as such. Easy fix. And it's so cute. So I'm going to do the other one. Aren't the little windows so stinking cute? So cute. Okay. Now we can close the box. And I'm going to seal the deal with some hot glue. How cute. So adorable. You guys can see that I cut the paper out wrong flip side. That's okay. Just cut off the extra. It's kind of going to be in there anyway. So next time I'll remember to flip it over and cut it correctly. Cute. So adorable. This little house is so adorable. All right. And so we're going to move on to the next part. Okay, so for this part, I am using one of the pieces of pattern paper, and I have this drip punch, and I'm going to punch some drips, and I'm going to use those as like icicles around the house. I think that'll be super fun. So I'm just going to punch, whoa, drips. I think this is more of a like Halloween type gooey situation, but we can use it for this as well. All right, we have our little ice drops done, and we have this piece here. This goes on top of the roof. I have also die cut out 2 Christmas trees, but I'm only going to need 1 right now. Grab my snow marker. And I have my heat tool over here. So what I'm going to do is add little icicles to the bottom of these. Just going to do a little bit at a time. All right, I'm going to set that aside for a second. And then we're going to get our roof together. I just cut the roof out twice. I'm going to lay it on top of each other. This adds some stability. Cute and sturdy. So that's just going to fold like that. And that's going to fit right on the top like so. How adorable. Before we do that, we can go ahead and add our little, oops, this way, our little icicles. We'll cut off the extra. Do the same to this side. I'm going to add some trim to the edge here. How cute is that? Pretty, pretty, pretty. I may put some bling on there too. Maybe. We'll see. So what we need to do now is prepare the handles. I cut out 2 handles in heavyweight white cardstock. And then I have the offset pieces cut out in the pattern paper. Okay. And there we go. And because I want mine to open with Velcro, I'm going to go ahead and stabilize these together. Okay, so I'm going to bend these up just a little bit so they could be prepared. So I'm going to take this in, put that through there, and glue it underneath, under there, just like so. And I'm going to take this one, slide it through there. Make sure they line up at the top, and glue this one. There we go. Cute. I love it. I love it. And now we'll slide this little youngster on top and glue that down, and then flip it and do it to this other side. Just like that. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere we go. I'm going to hot glue this bottom part and just hold that on here. And I'll secure this half down with Velcro dots. This is so cute. I love it. I love it so much. Really pretty box. Now we're ready to put on a little bit of decoration, some decor. So I pulled out this die cut from the paper collection, and then I cut or punched out some flowers with one of my punches from my stash. And then I cut out the leaves. I plan to use this like leaves. I cut out some of the flowers, I meant to say, that I plan to use as leaves. And then I have this cute little flare. Piece of paper there. And I'm going to try to use one of these sentiments. All right. So I'm going to layer, that's my plan, is to layer this on top of each other. I'll pop dot that. Nice and big. There we go. Cute. Let's do one more. There we go. Gorgeous. Give it a little snowflake ruffle. I'm going to spritz it with some Shimmer Mist that I have. I have a tutorial on my homemade shimmer. Look at all that yumminess. I'm going to spritz it. So pretty. All right. So that's going to sit on top of that. Like so. How cute is that? And then this flare is going to go in the center. All right. Just going to cut that off. It's going to go like that. It's going to go right there. And then we'll do these two. I really just used like little morsels that was left over. So I wasn't really caring that it didn't fit the whole flower because I knew that I was going to be chopping it up anyway. And I want to use, let me see how this looks before I commit. I want to use this holly sticker from the collection. I have this strip. And then we put some dimensionals on the back of it. All right, now let's see what we're doing here. Put that there. And I'm going to put this holly all right, I'll stick this behind. Super, super cute. That is so adorable. And then I'm going to make a quick tag, because you can't have a gift box without a gift tag. So this tag was cut out. It's still part of the Christmas die. So I'm going to lay the offset piece up there. And because I'm not using that hole, I'm just going to punch another hole on top to cover it up. Like that. And then punch one for the back. And then you can put your two from there. And then I'm going to put my Christmas tree base down. It's going to go like that. And then my pop dots will be strategically placed there. Put that right on top. Give it a little dimension. Cute. And then we'll have a little present under the tree. Adorable. I'm going to use a little bit of twine. And then tie this on the handle. And that can just easily just hang off the side of that roofing, and it looks so adorable. Super, super cute. All right. I'm going to add a little gem to this little present. So adorable. This house is so stinking cute. I love it. I love it. So then the recipient will get it, and ta-da, stuff is in there. Close it back. All right, guys. I hope you like this quick process put together video. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these. And don't forget to check the links in the description box for all the items that you need from Alina and the FairyTale Club to create your own Christmas gift box. Like this video if you like it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.